Hello friends, welcome to Dailyhacks channel. In this video I'm going to tell you if you have any sort of watch, so how you can make it working. Sometimes when you buy a new watch it stop working, so it's gonna be very simple video, just because I'm going to tell you the simple trick how you can make it working. Sometime when you buy a new watch, you will see it has one is a rotating pin, which actually you get use for adjusting the time. If you see the middle pin, this one, if I try to take this out, it will come out a little bit. So now if I show you by closely, you see it came out a little bit. So what you can do after this, if you try to rotate it, it will adjust your time. So this is how you can actually adjust the time on your watch as well. And if it's sometime that's this pin in the new watch is come like a little bit out of the watch, so that's why your watch is not working, so it stop moving, so your time get incorrected as well. So this is how you can, just by pressing this pin back to its position, you will see your watch will start working again. So yeah, this is how your watch can be start working. And the other thing is, if you find your watch is still not working after putting this pin in, so what you can do is, just at the back you will see the small groove or something like this. So just open this and change yourself. So hope you will like my video. See you in the next video.